Hello. I'm back with another unboxing slash review for you. I haven't posted anything for a while. Sorry, I've been lots of stuff going on in my life, but whatever. Smith & Wesson. I'm sure everybody knows this name. Smith & Wesson knives, professional quality tools. They're known for guns more than anything, obviously. But this is a Karambit. This is the Smith & Wesson ExtremeOps CK33 7.9-inch SS Karambit folding knife with 3.1-inch Hawkbill blade and G10 handle for outdoor tactical survival and EDC. That was the listing from Amazon, and it is $14.49 on Amazon right now, with Prime shipping, of course. But actually, when I bought it, like a month and a half or so ago, it was only $11.99. It's one of the reasons I grabbed it too. But one of the other reasons is Smith & Wesson makes some nice products. So I'm gonna dig this over here. This is a Smith & Wesson knife. If you can see here, Smith & Wesson SWAT First Millennium Run. This knife is over 20 years old. I mean, yeah, it's a little, beat up, worse for wear, but it's still tight. I mean, I haven't really adjusted it, done anything to it. I haven't replaced screws, nothing. It's a nice product. So, Smith & Wesson, and for the price of $11.99, I grabbed it. The first thing you'll notice about this when you take it out is it's heavy. Compared to how, other Karambits I've seen, this one is very heavy. It's extremely well made from, my point of view, or my perspective, as it were. I've got a lot of knives, a lot of experience with them. But yeah, it's a G10 handle, and it's high carbon. It's 7CR17MOV high carbon stainless steel is the blade. Supposedly it weighs 6.8 ounces, but I'll tell you what, it feels more than that. It opens up nice and smooth. You heard that click. It's a very solid lock on it, so it will lock no problem. And it's stiff, so you can't, flip it. I mean, I'm sure I might be able to, loosen it up a little bit if I have to. But it opens up, and the curve, I love the curve on it. It totally melds in, blends in, however you want to put it. And it does have this nice little, I guess, Hawkbill. That's what they called it there. But I like the design of it. It's interesting for a Karambit, for sure. It does have the, loop on there. It is a bit bigger than other Karambits I've seen. I mean, not much. I meant like trying to get my hand on it, like so. It just seems a bit bigger. Like on other Karambits I have, I would be, closer to the blade, which I guess this is a good thing. I'm not. But it's extremely nice. Smith & Wesson ExtremeOps, extremely nice. Nice knife for the cost. Seriously, I'm very much impressed with it. There's a limited lifetime warranty on it. Again, it's only $14.49 right now on Amazon, but I paid $11.99. But even at the $14.49 price, I can highly recommend it. I mean, I don't know what else to say. It's just a really nice knife. Quality made. From my experience with Smith & Wesson products, they're all high quality. I was, it's one of the reasons I was shocked when I saw this for $11.99 only. So I was like, hey, let me grab it and, see what it is. For $11.99, I was not expecting the quality that this knife has. I expected some little flimsy thing, but this is solid. I mean, there is no wiggle to the blade at all. I mean, and it locks nice. That loud audible click, it locks tightly. There's no wiggle, no nothing. The thumbs studs are actually on both sides. And some of them, only have it on one. Like this one here, I have it only has it on the one side instead of on both, which there would be room, actually. It's the same. So it is nice. You can use it either way. It does have the clip. Let me close that. This clip is like, I mean, it's extremely tight. You clip this on something, it is not coming off. I mean, it is very solid, tight clip as well. And the handle, the G10 handle, I don't know if you can get in there. It's like I guess like a knurled pattern, I guess you would call it. checkerboard. It reminds me of carbon fiber, but it has a nice grip to it. And again, I mean, the knife is very well finished all the way around. There's no burrs or nothing like that. It's just extremely nice. For the price, buy it. Seriously, you'll be happy with it. It's a high quality knife. Thanks a lot.